stuff which we have in our house. So next one.
This is a piece of sponge which I took out from any packing which came online. This is a piece of cardboard which I already cut in the shape of this mouse pad, the mouse pad which I have. Or you can buy this mouse pad at around rupees 30, or I will provide the link of this in the description box. This is a piece of cloth which is used to protect the screen. This will use to cover the sponge. This is the RGB LED, and it is a thinner strip which usually we have, and as you can see it is around 3 mm wide strip. So I have chosen this strip because the thickness of this cardboard will match the thickness of the strip, which will give it a nice effect. And this is a 12-volt adapter which you can buy online or buy from any electronic store for 50 to 100 rupees. And other stuffs are usual tape and cutting tools. So let's start. So first we have to cut this sponge to make our wrist support, which we will paste it over here. And so let's start cutting it. You can use any hacksaw blade, and the cut will be a nice smooth cut. I'm choosing to paste 2 pieces of the sponge so that we can use this curved edges, which will look nice and also give an aesthetic look. So we are done with this. It's a little bit messy. The corners are not so finished, but we can leave it for our support. So it will be placed over here, and here will be the regular mouse pad, so that when we use comfortable. You'll get the support of the sponge. And now let's start sticking the LED strip. As I have already told, the thickness of the strip is as compared to the standard strip which we have, RGB strip or any other LED strip. It's around 4 mm and it is bright enough to, intensity of the light is very high, so it's kind of hit the eyes during any work or playing on the laptop. So what we are going to do is we are going to stick it inwards. That is, the LEDs should be inwards, so that will give a smooth finish to the cardboard, as you can see, and also will not affect our eyes during any work or playing. So let's start sticking it. So we are using very quick. You can use any angle. So as you can see, we have pasted the strip on all 4 sides. Yeah, the finishing is good enough, not so bad. And the length of the strip was 1 meter, so it got ended in between, so all the area will not be lightened. And so now let's put our mouse pad over here. So I have dropped an idea of pasting this because it was not finished and it was not going with the color of it. If it was a black top, then it would be nice. But the grey color of the sponge itself is going with the black color of the pad, so I think it will look nicer rather than that. So we are going to, so if you want to find the edges, use scissors instead of any other cutter or blade, because I have ruined some sponge in order to make the edges smooth, then realize the scissors is the best option. Sorry for the noise, for the traffic. So I think that's how it's going to be looking. So now let's paste that. I'm using this because it has a rubbery material which creates a smooth surface to roll over a mouse. And if we place only a cloth over this cardboard surface is not smooth. It is little bit wavy and kind of uneven. So that is why you can buy this for 30 rupees from any local store, or you can buy online as well. I'll provide the link of all the products which I have used in the description box. So let's now taste it. I've marked the line where the mousepad ends. So we'll be using super glue. You can use any kind of super glue. And we'll just link it to the corners. So here we are done with our mousepad. I think it looks good enough. I can paste some glue as well. Not so good, not so bad. It's okay. DIY projects are like this. So let me just light it up and show. So as you can see, it is not that gaming RGB LED. It's just red, blue and green light. It's good. It is looking good. And don't worry about that adapter. In our next project, we are going to hide this in a multifunctional gaming lamp, which is our next DIY project. This is looking quite good. You can also use a DC connector 5mm or 5.5mm to use it as a detachable point whenever you want a basic mousepad without any LED lights. You can always disconnect that. And this is a budget gaming mouse which I have purchased from Flipkart or Flipkart brand. So it is a nice mouse.